In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new item in Zoho inventory. Whether you're managing a vast catalog of products or just a handful, Zoho inventory provides a streamlined approach to keep track of everything efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of adding an item, ensuring your inventory stays organized and up to date. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your Zoho inventory account via the web. Once logged in, the main dashboard will display a variety of options to help you manage your inventory more effectively. Now, focus your attention on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the Items section. Click on it to proceed. Next, to begin adding a new item, head to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a plus New button right there. Clicking this will open up a new form where you can input the details for your new inventory item. Alternatively, if you're familiar with the interface, you might use the Quick Create icon, which provides a fast, streamlined approach to this process. Now that you're on the new item form, it's time to input specific details about what you're adding. First, select the type of item it is. Is it a product, which is an inventory tracked item, or is it a service? Choosing the correct option here is crucial because it determines how the item will be managed within Zoho inventory. After selecting the type, move on to entering the basic details. You'll input the item name and SKU, which is the stock keeping unit, used for easy tracking and identification. Don't forget to select the unit and, if applicable, fill in the item category as well. These details help in organizing your inventory and ensuring that you can locate and manage items with ease. If you have visual representations of the item, you can also upload up to 15 images. This step is optional, but recommended, especially if visuals play a key role in your inventory management or sales process. Next, to enable inventory tracking for the item, make sure to tick the box labeled Track Inventory for this item. This will allow you to keep a close eye on stock levels and movement. After that, you'll need to provide some additional details. This includes the opening stock, indicating the amount you currently have on hand, and specifying the warehouse where it will be stored. Additionally, enter the purchase rate, which is the cost price per unit. There are also optional fields where you can fill in sales and purchase information, as well as set tax preferences. These fields are particularly useful if you want to streamline your financial management and ensure accurate reporting. Once you've thoroughly filled out all the necessary information, click the Save button. Your new item is now successfully added to your inventory and should be visible within the Items section. This simple process ensures your inventory is always up to date, helping you manage your business more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy inventory managing.